previous. Next chapter we have related to the cylinders. Now, before we start this chapter, you should know certain things about the cylinder. When we talk about solid cylinder, volume is pi r square h. TSA is 2 pi r h plus r. LSA is 2 pi r h. Then area of cross section means base. Cross section, it is base only. The meaning is base is pi r square, and the perimeter of cross section or perimeter of base is 2 pi r, because in circle we have a circular base, is it? And about this, in cylinder we have a circular base, so we know area of circle is pi r square and perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. Now when we talk about hollow cylinder, means made with a thick sheet. So the thickness of wall, thickness is equal to capital R minus small r. The same thing which we were talking about this now. You remember this, we have concentric circles. So that is, this is also made with a thick, is it? So what would be the thickness of this things? This is capital R minus small r, outer radius minus inner radius. Now area of cross section means area of base would be, what was the area of base of concentric circle? Pi r square minus r square. Then external volume it is 2 pi capital RH. Internal volume it is 2 pi small r h. Is the same formula. But when we talk about external volume, then it is external, not volume, it is external surface area, TSA, and external LSA and internal LSA, 2 pi RH. Now total surface area, if we talk about TSA, that is 2 pi r square minus r square. Then volume of the material is pi h capital R square minus small r square. This all are given in the page number 278 and 279. You have to learn with both the formulae which is given on these pages. Okay. Now we shall come to the exercise. You can see the first exercise of exercise, first question of exercise 20.2. This is given. You have to find LSA, TSA and volume of the cylinder, is it? Now first of all, exercise 20.2, number 1. A. Radius is 4.2 centimeter, height is 12 centimeter. So it will be first LSA is 2 pi r h. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 centimeter into 12 centimeter, 7.6. So when we multiply, it gives you 316.8 centimeter square. Then next is TSA, 2 pi r h plus r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 12 plus 4.2 centimeter square. Or it gives you 2 into 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 16.2 centimeter square. Or once we cut it, the answer is 427.68 centimeter square. Now come to the volume. Pi r square h. So this is 22 by 7 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 12 centimeter square, centimeter cube, because we are finding the volume. 7 6s are, so when you multiply it gives you 665.28 centimeter cube. So in this way you have to find LSA, TSA and volume of the cylinder. Question number 2, it says a cylinder has a diameter 20 centimeter. The area of curved surface is 1100 centimeter square. Find the height and the volume of cylinder. Let us see question number 2. Number 1 is done. Now diameter is given. Number 2. Diameter is equal to 20 centimeter. So what would be the radius? 10 centimeter. LSA is given 1100 centimeter square. So we can write what is the formula of LSA? 2 pi r h. Now we'll be implementing the things. 1100 centimeter square is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 10 into h, or just 1100 centimeter square, centimeter it is, into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 10 centimeter is equal to h. Centimeter is cancelled, 1 0 is cancelled, 22 5s are, or this is 35 by 2 centimeter is equal to h, or 17.5 centimeter is equal to h. Once the height is found, we have to find the volume. Now the volume is equal to pi r square h centimeter cube. Now just 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. So the answer would be 5500 centimeter cube. This is for question number 2. 3 you have to do. Number 4, it says the total surface area of cylinder is 264 meters square. Find its volume if its height is 5 times its radius. Now, radius, height is 5 times its radius, is it? So let the radius be r. So height would be 5r. Question number 4. Let the radius be r. So height is 5r. Is it? Now it says TSA is 264 meter square. So what we know, TSA is equal to 2 pi r h plus r. Now 264 is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into r into h is 5r plus r. May I write it? Or 264 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 meter square, I can write here meter square, is equal to r into 6r. 22 1s are 2s are 2 6 are, or 6 into 7 divided by 6 is equal to r square. May I write it? 6 cancel, or 7 meter square is equal to r square, or under root 7 meter is equal to r. So height would be 5 times r. So 5 root 7 meter. Now we have to find the volume. What is the formula of volume? Pi r square h. So we'll write volume is equal to pi r square h. So pi is 22 by 7, r square we have got 7, and h we have got 5 root 7. See, here I have r square 7. So I have written 7 centimeter cube. 7 cancel, 110 root 7 centimeter cube. This will be the volume of cylinder. Question number 4. Now 5 and 6 you have to do. Is the homework. Is the same thing what we have done in 4. Look at question number 7. It says if the total surface area of cylinder is this, find its height and volume if the circumference of base is 88 centimeter. If the circumference of base is given, we can find the radius of the base. Question number 7. PSA is equal to 3872 centimeter square. Circumference of base 88 centimeter. So I can write it 2 pi r is equal to 88, or r is equal to 88 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. R is equal to 14 centimeter. Now again I can implement the value of R. 3872 is equal to 2 pi R H plus R, or just see 3872 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 14 is equal to H plus 14. Now 7 2s are 14, 2 1s are, 2 9s are, 2 3s are, 2 6s are, 2 9s are, 2 6s are, 2 8s are. Now 28, 4s are 88, 4s are, or 44 minus 14 is equal to H, or 30 is equal to H. So the volume is equal to 22 by 7 pi r square H centimeter cube. 7 2s are 14, 32s are 60, 840, 18480 centimeter cube will be the volume. This is question number 7. So you will finish which are given as homework. Along with this, next day we will be solving question number 8 onwards. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you, dears.